Good morning, friends, and welcome to Circle Time. This week we're talking about under the sea animals. And joining me for our morning warm-up are Fiona, Finn, and Nora. Can you guys wave good morning?
Good morning.
All right, friends, we're going to move to crisscross applesauce, hands and lap, and we are going to sing The More We Get Together because I'm so excited that you guys are all here today. So friends at home, if you want to do the hand movements with us, you're welcome to join in. Ready? Here we go. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Great job. We have a new letter this week. What is it, friends? E, very good. And the large E is called the uppercase, and the smaller E is called the lowercase. Great job. And we are in the month of May, so we're going to clap that out 3 times together. Here we go. May, May, May. Very good. Now let's get our counting fingers out. If they're feeling sleepy, we need to wake them and shake them. We are going to count our calendar with our loud and proud voices, and we are going to do it together. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good, friends. Today is May, Tuesday, the 19th, and that means it's days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Saturday, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. Before we move and check in on our letter E today, we are going to check our herb garden. Can you guys see all the beautiful things we have today? So let's just go back over real quick. We have cilantro here, scallions, parsley, basil, and our pepper plants. So this will be the last day we check in with our herb garden to make our pizza. We're going to take this out to our large garden outside, and we are going to plant them. And we planted our tomatoes this weekend. We finally have warm enough weather and rain in the forecast, so these guys will do great outside. So before I transfer them, what's 2 things they really need?
Sun and water.
Sun and water. And so I've got the water right here. I'm just going to do one last quick watering before they go out to the big garden. All right, we'll set that back out in the sun. So this week we're talking about under the sea and the letter E. So we are going to do our E poster. So every time I say a word that starts with the letter E in our story, you guys are going to do, you don't shout out E, we're going to do this quietly. We're going to do a thumbs up. Are you guys ready? Every morning, Eloise has hard-boiled eggs for breakfast. She never, ever eats them fried because boiled eggs are the tastiest. Eloise, the elephant, thinks that eggs are dandy. She eats 11 eggs every day and says they taste like candy. Do you guys like eggs? Oh, I don't know what type of candy. So we're going to start now. Each day, we are going to think of a word that starts with the letter E, and we're going to put it up. So we had the word eggs a lot in our story, so I'm going to put that up today on our letter of the week word, eggs. Very good. We have a fun story today that we're going to do, and then we're going to work on patterns, and then we're going to make a sea turtle at the very end. So our story today is called Under the Sea, and you guys are going to help me make our story using some magnets, and we're going to create a whole under the sea story. All right, so first we're going to go over all of the different kinds of sea creatures and sea life we have that go and are under the sea. So I don't know if you guys can see at home. You guys can say them. We're not going to shout it, but we can
It's
say
a
it together. A
jellyfish.
jellyfish.
A jellyfish we made yesterday.
We did make a jellyfish yesterday. Yes. We have a starfish, sea anemones, a school of fish, a spotted seal. Do you guys know what this one is? I love these.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
So do I love them.
And this is an eel. Who's this? Do you guys know? Fish. It's like Dory. This is an angelfish. And we have our sea turtle that we're going to make in just a little bit.
I like sea turtle.
We have a shark.
Dolphin.
Who's this guy? Ah!
Squid.
Not a squid. Can you guys see?
Crab.
A crab. Do any of you guys ever eat crabs?
I
Do
love
have these?
crab.
Yeah.
People.
Who's this guy?
Hermit.
He's a hermit crab. His little shell.
And it's also crab.
We have a scuba diver,
Who
and
looks
they
like
dive
a
under the
lion.
water, and they wear this special pack with a face mask and oxygen, so they can swim under the water and still breathe and explore. What's this? Do you guys know?
Marlin or swordfish.
It's a swordfish. He has a long snout or beak. That's a swordfish.
He got his name since it looks like
We have a octopus. Very good. And I want you guys to tell me, how many legs does an octopus have?
8.
8. Very good. And remember that number 8 because we're gonna use it in our sea turtle that we're gonna make. We're gonna use a shape that has 8 sides. Who's this guy?
Lobster.
A lobster.
I like to eat lobsters.
And we've got a
Dolphin.
dolphin, a submarine. So this is like a boat, except it goes under the water too, just like our scuba diver. We have a treasure chest full of jewels and gold. And then we have who's this guy? Like Nemo. This is a clownfish.
Put him next to Dory.
Should I put them together?
Yeah.
So they could be friends and we'll have the little starfish in there with them? Very good. So I'm going to read our story, and as we come across one of the items that we need for our Under the Sea, I'm going to place it in our story, and we're going to make an Under the Sea picture. A diver swims towards the colorful reef. So where am I going to put my diver? Where's the colorful reef? Can you guys see? There's some over here, some over here. I'm going to put him right there. He sees a seahorse right ahead, so we'll put our seahorse in front of him. A hermit crab looks out from his shell. There's my guy. We'll put him right there. An angelfish swims quickly, and a lobster scurries towards the coral. So let's get our angelfish. And where's the coral?
What?
Very good. We're going to put our lobsters kind of in it. So our first page is done. We're going to make our second page. A smiling dolphin swims towards the ocean surface. So if he's going towards the surface, where do I need to put him? Going down or up? Up. Very good. He's going up towards the surface.
Dolphins can't.
The sea turtle glides after some fish. So here's my sea turtle. I'm going to have him gliding by some fish over here. So our sea anemones hide behind the rocks. So let's find some rocks. I see some here, and I see some here, and some other anemones. We'll put those there. The treasure chest that's overflowing with gold and jewels. So where should I put my treasure chest? Where do you guys think it would be? It would be by our boat. So I'll put that right there. A sly shark scurries towards the ocean floor. So here's our shark. Am I going to put him up high or down low since he's going towards the ocean floor?
Down low.
Very good. Down low. A crab scuttles across the rocks. So here's our crabs. Remember, here's some rocks over here and over here. I'm going to put him right here on this one. And a slinky eel swims over the rocks. So here's our eel, and we're going to put him over by the rocks. We've got our second page done. You guys are being a great help.
The Titanic.
A spotted seal hunts for fish. So here's our spotted seal. And where do we see some fish? Can you guys point?
Right there.
Very good. So I'm going to put him over here.
To be
A swordfish swims close to the rocks. So we've got a big rock formation right here. I'll put him there. A school of fish swim in a ray of sunlight. So where do you guys see the rays of sunlight? Can you see them coming down? Very good. They're coming from the surface
It
down.
should be
So we'll
next
put our
to the
fish
blue.
there. A submarine explores the dark ocean floor. So is he going up or down?
down.
Very good. We're going to put him way down here. A clownfish searches for pearls. So here's our clownfish, and we'll put them over here. And a jellyfish propels itself towards or through the water. So if he's going fast, is he going to go down or up? If he propels himself, we're going to go up. So we'll put him right there. The entrance of the deep sea cave is guarded by an octopus. So where is our deep sea cave?
Those
Very
two.
good. And I'm going to put the octopus right there. And then we have a starfish that is over by our coral, and I'm going to set right there. Thank you guys for all that help making our beautiful Under the Sea story. So we're going to do a quick activity with patterns, and then we are going to move to our art project to make our sea turtle. So we're going to do an A-B pattern and an A-B-C pattern, and then we're going to do one fun one at the end. So starting off, an A-B pattern is just two things. So we're going to do a dolphin and, let me make sure I get that, an octopus. So this is A-B. You can even do it by the color blue, purple, or you can do it by dolphin, octopus. All right, so I have a dolphin, octopus. What goes next? Very good, the dolphin.
Octopus.
And then the octopus. Very good, let's keep going.
Dolphin.
Dolphin, octopus, dolphin, octopus, dolphin, octopus. Very good. So that's our A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B pattern. Next, we're going to do our A, B, C pattern. So let's start off with our dolphin, our octopus,
Starfish.
and we're going to throw in a starfish. So now this is our A, B, C pattern. So what's next? Dolphin for A. Very good. And then we have our octopus and what? Very good. The seahorse. So dolphin, octopus,
It's
seahorse.
not a seahorse.
Dolphin, octopus, starfish. Dolphin, octopus, starfish. Very good. So now we have our A, B, C pattern, A, B, C pattern, A, B, C pattern. We're going to do one more. I'm going to do a dolphin, dolphin, octopus. So what's going to come next? Got a dolphin, dolphin,
Octopus.
octopus. Very good. Dolphin, dolphin,
Octopus.
octopus. Dolphin, dolphin. And how are we going to end it? With the
Octopus.
octopus. Very good. So now we have an AAB, 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 AAB pattern. And so friends at home, you guys can take any stamps you want, different colors of markers. You can make dots and make all sorts of patterns. And you guys can send pictures in and show Miss Meg of all the patterns you guys are working on at home. So next we're going to do our craft to end our circle time. And we are going to make a seahorse. A sea turtle. So remember when I said remember that number 8? We're going to be using a shape that has 8 sides. So friends at home, I don't want you to shout it out. I want you to use your quiet voices, raise your hands, and when I point to you, I want you to tell me what shape has 8 sides, and I'm going to give you a clue. It's the same shape as a stop sign. All right. Friends at home, what shape is it? Very good. It's an octagon. So I'm just going to use green and yellow. You guys can also use green and blue, green and orange, blue and orange, any color patterns you guys want to make the sea turtle shell. So I'm going to cut out my octagons, and you're going to need 5 of each color, so a total of 10. So I've already done that. I've got them cut out right here. You're also going to need a paper plate, which we have right here, and then one more piece of green paper. which you're going to cut.
And just paint.
You're gonna cut, it's almost the shape of like a bulb, a light bulb, or a balloon that hasn't been blown up. We need 4 of those, 2 for the arms, 2 for the legs, a tail you can cut out, and then 1 longer of those bulbs for the turtle's neck and face. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make my smiley face for him real fast. So this one's gonna be his head, and he is a happy sea turtle. So next, you guys can use a glue stick, which will dry the fastest for this. Also, if you have liquid glue, it will work just the same. And if you guys don't have construction paper to make the shell, you can color it in, use anything you want to decorate it. You could put glue and glitter on it too, so to make it a sparkly sea turtle. So I'm just gonna take the surface of the shell and cover the whole thing with my glue stick. And then I'm going to use an A-B pattern to fill in his shell. So I'm gonna alternate my colors between green and yellow. So here we go. I've got green. What comes next? Yellow. Very good. Next. Green.
A-B.
Yep. Yellow. We need next what? Green. Very good. Yellow. Green. Yellow. And right in the middle, I'm going to put a green one. Let's flip it back out. Very good. You know what? I'm going to do just a little more glue because I'm going to flip this over to make sure that these stay on. So now we're going to flip it and we're going to do our arms and legs first. So we have 4 of the bulbs that we cut out, and you're just going to put one on each side. Make sure that it's sticking out enough that when we flip it over, you're going to see the arms and legs sticking out. All right, let's get our other arm and our last leg on. Very good. I'm going to put the head on first, our smiley, happy sea turtle. And then we're going to put the tail on the back. And you guys can add whatever else you guys would like to your sea turtles to make them your own. We're going to flip it over, and there we have our sea turtle. Set it right there. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see friends back here tomorrow. You guys wave goodbye.
Bye.